Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. 18 divided 9 is equal to 2. Then again 18 divided by 9 is equal to also 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, okay? PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So here is division, here is also division, and here is division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So is equal to 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. Now divide 18, then divide 9, okay? Now 2 divided 18 can be written as 2 upon 18 divide 9, okay? Now divide this 2 by using 2 is equal to 1 and 18 divide 2 is equal to 9. So the expression is become 1 by 9 divide 9, okay? Now according to KCF rule, K means skip this first fraction 1 by 9 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this last fraction 9 is equal to 1 by 9. Okay. So 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. Then 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81. So 1 by 81 is the correct answer. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.